The benefit to rewriting quadratic expressions in vertex form is that you can interpret a lot about the graph of the quadratic. In vertex form, the a value describes the direction of the opening of the graph. The h value is the x value of the vertex, and the k value is the y value of the vertex. How could you rewrite 3x squared plus 12x plus 9 in vertex form? When converting to vertex form, the first thing you need to do is factor out the coefficient of the quadratic term. We would factor out 3 from every term. The next step is to determine what value is necessary to make the quantity inside the parentheses a perfect square trinomial. Let's add a new constant to the first two terms that would make a perfect square. Remember, whatever number is added in also needs to be subtracted outside the parentheses to keep the equation equivalent to what it was. To calculate that value, look at the coefficient of the middle term and square half the coefficient of x. For this equation, we add 4 inside the parentheses and subtract 4. The next step is to simplify and rewrite as a squared binomial. Let's add our parentheses around our squared binomial. That means that x squared plus 4 times x plus 4 becomes the quantity x plus 2 squared, and 3 minus 4 becomes minus 1. The final step is to distribute the number that was factored out so that it's written completely in vertex form. The quadratic expression in vertex form is 3 times the quantity x plus 2 squared minus 3. Now that the expression is written in vertex form, we can determine the direction of the graph's opening and the vertex of the graph. Since 3 is the a value and greater than 0, the graph will open up. The h value is -2, and the k value is -3, so the vertex is -2, -3.